I am cooking up a meal for my dear friend, Jo Stugard. She is a travel food writer, and when she is not traveling around and trying all kinds of new dishes, she likes to keep it low carb. But I wanted something hearty, and that's where I thought sloppy joes would come in really handy. But sometimes sloppy joes can feel a little weighed down, so I've lightened it up a little bit with turkey. But because I don't think turkey has a lot of flavor, I'm adding in some portobello mushrooms, along with some onions and peppers. So the first thing I wanna do is get this pan heated up. Get a little olive oil in there, then get 1 medium onion in there. I'm gonna let them saute and soften up, and the red peppers go in. Turn this down just a little bit. I'm gonna flavor these guys with just a little bit of salt and pepper. While these guys saute, I'm gonna chop up these beautiful portobello mushrooms. Now, a lot of people who don't eat meat, they substitute portobello mushrooms because they're really hearty and meaty, got a lot of flavor in them. Just a rough chop, because I'm gonna let the food processor really dice it up. So I just wanna chop this up nice and fine. Beautiful. So let's get this in. That is a nice, flavorful base. Okay, I'm gonna salt these mushrooms just to really pull out the rest of the water. Time for turkey. There we go. Then a little bit of salt and pepper on top. Seasoning each layer as we go. So we're gonna add a lot of flavor. Okay, add 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, a lot of flavor. Time for some coconut aminos. Coconut aminos are coconut sap and salt, and it tastes just like soy sauce. But if you'll read the labels on soy sauce, oftentimes there's wheat in there. So people that are gluten intolerant, soy sauce is a no-no. This you can add because there's no wheat. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Give that a little mix. Okay, time for the tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes are gonna give you the perfect consistency for these sloppy joes. Smells good. Now I wanna add one more little thing, and that's apple cider vinegar. I love the tartness. This adds a whole other dimension to the flavor, just a little bit. Hi, Jo.
Hi, Val.
This is turkey.
Thank you so much.
And to really add some heft to it, I put in some portobello mushrooms
nice.
for some flavor.
Are these sloppy Val?
Yeah, they're sloppy vals. Here, I'll hold this for you. It's
Okay.
cooled off now,
Okay, gotcha.
and you can spoon it out.
Oh, it smells so good. Thank you.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm going for it.
Mmm. Oh, yum.
Oh my God. Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice and sloppy, as it should be.
Mm.